unreal.
Bye, 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 bye,
Bye, bye, bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye.
She's my woman through and through. I love her only because her heart is true.
This is the part of the video where we explain why we're at Disney World on...
It's May 2nd.
So why are we at Disney World on May 1st?
May 2nd. To celebrate our 2-year anniversary.
But we got married in December. So this is the part of the year, every year, where we think about what we did getting married on December 20th in the middle of a Christmas holiday. So we got married on December 20th, which is right before Christmas, which meant everybody who came to our wedding really did care, which was awesome. What that means is it's really hard for us to take a trip every year on our anniversary. Usually what we do is we try to do a trip that's for our anniversary at a different time of the year. So this year we came to
Disney World!
We're camping at Fort Wilderness. Yes, camping at Disney World, doing everything we can to get every single drop of Disney out of Disney. Janie, tell me what just happened.
My Diet Coke exploded. And it shot a man.